Oil was the scene. Back again with a video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You can go for me, link in the description below. Get the magnesium citrate video to 50k views if you want part 2. If y'all want part 2. And today, Nate is changing my oil. And then he's gonna change his oil. There goes Nate. Let's see how he do it. Nate, this vlog is for you. I gotta flip it. Oh yeah, watch my license plate. I did not pick my license plate by choice. How he going? What is it?
There you go. You good right in there. You know why you need 600 and 1200 sandpaper?
To the ground with for the rest? Oh, for the headlight?
Might have trouble your next inspection.
Yeah, I've been on too because they tried to.
What I mean?
Wet. You got to keep it wet.
Oh.
You get your little bucket with just water and do the 600 first. And just go in circles like this. Take this off so your sandpaper don't scratch your paint, right? Just regular old tape from the PX, right?
You think this is gonna last by October?
Oh, yeah.
I did my own.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Cause I ain't doing that shit.
But you know
Sell
what?
this car.
When you sell it, you get a lot more for it with shiny headlights. Remember, shiny objects attract the eyes. If that wasn't true, you would be wearing a mirror ring.
Oh no, I just bought it because it was $1.
Oh, all right. That's still attractive. Yeah. So you hold it until you get it where you want it. What kind of work you doing? Oh, okay. You got the oil with you? Mm-hmm. Right there.
I like the toolbox.
Okay. You inventory your toolbox. Anything missing, let them know.
Oh.
Now, if there's something missing they know about, there's like a thumbtack in that slot.
Oh,
Okay.
I was trying to find cars
in
in
Wiesbaden
Wiesbaden.
yard sales. You have like 200,000 people looking at it.
I'm gonna do both and see whichever one.
Okay.
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 There's the plug.
Be careful with that plug.
Yeah.
You see this? Is this right? Oh look, oil gasket, oil pan gasket. You look at a little.
You know what? To get the ring.
I just missed out some good footage. What I even do?
This is supposed to what? What the fuck? Come on.
Yours in the same spot? Not the pliers.
I need something. I might just use fucking pliers. I just need something to grip it.
Oh, that's like a wrench.
Yep. Let's see if this works. Okay. She's on there. Come on.
Ain't that too big now?
No, it's perfect. I just can't get the fucking. I need a fucking.
You could use the back of it,
What? No,
the circle part.
I'm trying to see which one fits on there. Or I just need this part. That's it. To pull this bitch off. Look. How long does it take to get a fucking filter off? How big is this fucking thing? Ain't no fucking way. This is too big. That's too big. This was the fucking 22 cannot be. Oh my god. Let me try this one. I just need something.
Too small?
The 23 doesn't fit and the 24 is too fucking big. This, it won't grip on there. There's no fucking way. I'm just gonna try the 24 and just see if I can break it. I just gotta break it a little loose. I don't need the whole thing loose.
It's turning.
Yeah, I just need a little. Fucking bitch.
Ready?
Let's see if I can take my hand. Bitch. She broke loose. Why are you doing this to me?
Oh!
Let's see if I can turn my hand now. Shit. Ain't no fucking way.
I could just call the man.
No, I got it. I just gotta turn it more. She's breaking, but it's not breaking.
Which way was it?
The filter keeps breaking loose. Why are you doing this to me?
It's coming off. I can try to do the same shit. It's off.
Yeah, I don't know why now. The 24 was the only one that was making it move forward. I'm not trying using this one, but it wasn't locked. I tried doing it by hand. I can't do it by hand.
Let me get some.
Yeah. See? Oh yeah, she's moving now.
Now you think you can get it by hand, then it says nope.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, you got it? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh shit.
Damn, you know they just charged me $10 for that.
He might not charge you. This little fucking thing. Man. Damn. I lost my hands.
Yeah. You trust the gloves?
They got oil on it. Just put that on there.
Damn.
Because usually hand turn it. There it is. Oh shit. I'll clean that up and make sure.
Damn, dude.
That's my stuff there. Okay. That should be good. She only got an oil ring. Put this back on. Yeah, this is supposed to be simple, but not everything is simple.
Oh, so you ain't gonna wipe that?
I am. I'm shit. Hopefully mine's is easier.
You didn't do it before and after? Yours. Blue.
Okay, let's knock off the hood.
I forgot which LRS thing was that pop the hood.
Hopefully mine is easier. I don't even want to put it on. Put the shit. Okay. They had a funnel. Did you have a funnel in the truck or not?
No. Wing it.
I'm gonna say they have a funnel.
Or you could just wing it. petroleum. You know, Trinidad is, I think, one of the largest countries with oil. Get the country poor as fuck. Oh, it's probably the largest.
We probably don't use their oil. I know they use the Middle East.
They said they're well known, they're rich in oil. Weird.
I mean, that's not gonna do nothing, but it's gonna burn the house. I still can't believe. You see how simple all he had to do was this? Doesn't have to.
No. Well, you know, he was waiting. As a man, he should know he need an oil change.
You'll be surprised.
All you need, cause fuck, he had to buy a new gas pan. So the gas, I think the gas could fall in there. We're gonna go push his car real soon. Well, they are. I'm gonna drive seat. He had to leave his car here and order one from America, and I'm gonna take a month. So yeah. Oh yeah, watch this. Can I go? Okay. Shit. Oh my god, the camera shit. Left or right?
My bad. Shit.
Wait. Ah, we got it. I'm hitting the brakes. Maybe that's why it's slow. Left or right? Oh yeah, watch this. Update video will be in 2 weeks.